GERN Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Geron Corporation. It is 1.6%, $1.60. It's 32% down. So where the heck are we heading next? I want to be very clear, man. This is not the best ticker right now, and generally speaking, that's fine. Like, I'm really not like that connected to this because I was also quite bearish previously. So looking at it from a broader picture, I'm aware that it's been kind of consolidating, going up and down, up and down, up and down, and now we had like kind of a crazier push. So I'm still gonna stick to something that I've done 36,000 videos on, you know, practice. Because please go ahead and do 36,000 videos of something and tell me, like, haven't you mastered it or not? So that being said, the likelihood that the price keeps melting down is through the roof, and I'll be just even looking to kind of make money on this short sell as long as the price gives me the rules. If not, it's all good. Stay tuned, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.